Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of just one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green lines here are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. So what do I mean in terms of updates? Well, the first big update comes about via the foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So right there, 48 cents going into today was an important level of support, and it did try. It hovered up above here all morning long, but then mid-afternoon ultimately fell below there, and you can see that's what kind of opened up, the momentum to the downside. So now if there is any sort of attempted bounce back upwards, 48 cents is going to be that initial level of resistance that'll need to be broken. If the price can break up through that area, then the next overarching level would be right there at that purple line, the 50-period simple moving average. So keep a close eye on that. But as of now, you can keep a far eye on it because as the price first needs to prove itself in the near term, and once again, quote unquote, prove itself being defined as not only getting up above 48 cents, but staying up above it. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new here to report other than the other level that I talked about on Friday, which is down here at 46 cents. What makes this pretty interesting is the last time the price got down around here, a very impressive bounce occurred from that area. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because last time there was a big bounce off 46 doesn't mean that for sure it's going to happen again, but it's at least a logical thought to have. It's at least a rational thing to throw out there to say, you know what, hey, maybe there is going to be some sort of bounce upwards because it has happened before. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, definitely not the greatest start to the week. The good news is still 4 days left this week, so we'll see if the price can try to consolidate out and get some sort of turnaround and get up above 48. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.